Hi there, it's Mrs. Clark, your librarian again. I'm going to tell you about 3 books that are available for checkout in the library today. The first book is called The Poison Heart. Bree has a gift. With a single touch, she can grow plants from tiny seeds to rich blooms. When Bree's aunt dies and wills her a dilapidated estate in rural New York, Bree and her parents hope that surrounded by plants and flowers, she will finally learn to control her gift. But their new home is sinister in ways they never expected. It comes with a mysterious set of instructions, a walled garden filled with the deadliest botanicals in the world, and generations of secrets. There's more to Bree's sudden inheritance than she could have imagined, and she's determined to uncover it. Darkness blooms in this enchanting story about a girl with a unique and deadly power to conquer the dark forces descending around her. A fantastic choice for readers who love fantasy and dark and twisted tales. The next book is The Field Guide to the North American Teenager. Norris is clever, cynical, and quite possibly too smart for his own good. A black French Canadian, he knows from watching American shows that those 3 things don't bode well when you're moving to Texas. Plunked into a new high school and sweating a ridiculous amount from the oppressive Texas heat, Norris finds himself cataloging everyone he meets: the cheerleaders, the jocks, the loners, and even the manic pixie dream girl. Making a ton of friends has never been a priority for him, and this way he can at least amuse himself until it's time to go back to Canada where he belongs. Yet against all odds, those labels soon become actual people to Norris, like loner Liam, who makes it his mission to befriend Norris, or Madison, the beta cheerleader, who's so nice that it has to be a trap. Not to mention Artie, the manic pixie dream girl, who might, in fact, be a real love interest in the making. But the night of the prom, Norris royally messes everything up. As he tries to pick up the pieces, he realizes it might be time to stop hiding behind his snarky opinions and start living his life, along with the people who have found their way into his heart. This is a hilarious novel with a witty main character and all the joys, cliches, and awkward humiliations of school. You aren't going to want to miss out on this one. The last book I'll tell you about is The Benefits of Being an Octopus. Some people can do their homework. Some people get to have crushes on boys. Some people have other things they've got to do. Zoe has her hands full. She takes care of her younger siblings after school every day while her mom works her shift at the pizza parlor. Not that her mom seems to appreciate it. At least there's Lenny, her mom's boyfriend. They all get to live in his nice, clean trailer. At school, Zoe tries to stay under the radar. Her only friend Fuchsia has her own issues, and since they're in an entirely different world than the rich kids, it's best if no one notices them. Zoe thinks how much easier everything would be if she were an octopus. 8 arms to do 8 things at once. Incredible camouflage ability and steady, unblinking vision. Powerful protective defenses. Unfortunately, she's not totally invisible, and one of her teachers forces her to join the debate club. Even though Zoe resists participating, debate ultimately leads her to see things in a new way. Her mom's relationship with Lenny, Fuchsia's situation, and her own place in this town of people who think they're better than her. Can Zoe find the courage to speak up, even if it means risking the most stable home she's ever had? This book will have you immediately rooting for Zoe. I highly recommend it. If you're interested in any of these books, they'll be available at the circulation desk when you visit the library today. Be sure to check one out and have a fabulous day!